Is it time to buy or sell Las Vegas Sands stock? In this video, we will explore Las Vegas Sands in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 27th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 9th of June, 2025, our system has ranked Las Vegas Sands as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.1. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Investors who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 35.32% since we initially classified Las Vegas Sands as a buy candidate 56 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.63% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of nearly 40% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from approximately 33% to 47%. In a longer-term view, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected decline of about 3%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decrease of nearly 49% to a decline of around 8% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $28.97 and $52.03. Our latest daily update for Las Vegas Sands features the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Las Vegas Sands Corp's Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. On the last trading day, the Las Vegas Sands Corp's stock price increased by 0.91%. moving from $56.19 to $56.70. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.99%, with a low of $55.81 and a high of $56.92. The price has seen some volatility during this period, showing a gain of 4.36% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased by 2 million shares on this day, resulting in a total of 3 million shares being exchanged for approximately $180 million and 12 cents. It is important to note that a decline in volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $56.92, while the lowest was $30.18. Currently, the price sits 0.39%, or 22 cents, below the 52-week high, and 30.39%, or $24.75, below the all-time high of $81.45, which was achieved on June 18, 2018. Las Vegas Sands is making headlines that are significant for investors. This summer, the company demonstrated its resilience as its Sands Shopping Carnival in Macau attracted nearly 110,000 visits despite a typhoon, highlighting steady tourism demand in its key markets. Strategic initiatives are also expanding the brand. A prominent sports betting partnership through BetMGM with the Las Vegas Aces enhances digital sportsbook visibility and cross-selling opportunities. Management's outreach to investors, which includes participation in a major strategic conference, along with corporate programs like the Sands Hospitality Immersion for historically Black colleges and universities students, strengthens governance and talent development. Regarding valuation, recent commentary on discounted cash flow and optimistic analyst coverage suggests that LVS remains undervalued in relation to its fundamentals, pointing to cash flow, dividends, and buyback potential. In the short term, strong event attendance, partnership announcements, and positive analyst commentary can drive sentiment-driven gains and increase trading volumes. Over the long term, the ongoing recovery in Macau and Singapore, coupled with diversified revenue from betting and hospitality, supports sustainable earnings growth. However, This growth is tempered by persistent risks associated with regulation, weather events, and macroeconomic fluctuations that could limit potential gains. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 18th of July, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned LVS an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned LVS a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned LVS a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned LVS a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned LVS a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Las Vegas Sands stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Las Vegas Sands. The Las Vegas Sands Corporation stock indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at the levels of $54.98 and $52.23. A decline below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 18th of August, 2025, and to date, the stock has appreciated by 7.39%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Interestingly, trading volume decreased on the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. The stock warrants careful observation. There have also been some negative signals that could impact near-term developments. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 53 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 53 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 60 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Las Vegas Sands. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $52.40 and $50.79. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this scenario, Las Vegas Sands Corporation finds support just below today's level at $52.40. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $50.79 and $47.38. This stock is typically traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $1.11, or 1.99%, between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.02%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Las Vegas Sands, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in companies with long histories or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 610 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Las Vegas Sands. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume as a guide for determining when to exit. On the downside, Las Vegas Sands encounters its first support level at $52.40. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Las Vegas Sands from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 6th of August, 2025, Foreman Charles D. conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock. On the 20th of February, 2025, Adelson Miriam conducted an insider purchase of 526,600 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2025, Adelson Miriam conducted an insider purchase of 671,573 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2025, Adelson Miriam conducted another insider purchase of 223,374 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2025, Adelson Miriam also conducted an insider sale of 1,341,695 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 51.214. In total, insiders purchased 12,579,197 shares and sold 59,493,672 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $54.94, reflecting a decrease of 3.1%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to a reduced risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 7 days ago. Is Las Vegas Sands stock a good buy? Las Vegas Sands Corporation holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider this stock to be a good choice at current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 28th of August, we expect Las Vegas Sands to open lower by approximately 22 cents and start trading at $56.48. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.